Here I have REALME Narzo 20A, and today I'm going to show you how to reset settings on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then you have to go to the additional settings, then go to the backup and reset, and here you have the tab erase all data factory reset, and then select reset system settings only, and then confirm it by tapping reset system settings only, then tap it one more time, and after that your system settings will be restored. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.